To change and calibrate the optics cover of S3000 safety laser scanners, make sure that the environment is clean and clear of fog, moisture and dust. Also make sure you are not statically charged. First, clean the safety laser scanner from the outside to avoid contaminants entering the open device. Unscrew the screws for the optics cover and slowly and carefully remove the optics cover and the seal from the S3000. If necessary, remove contamination from the sealing groove and the bearing surface of the sensor. Use a residue-free plastic cleaner. Check whether the mirror on the motor is dirty and, if necessary, remove dirt using an optic brush. Now we will insert the new seal, starting in the middle. Hint, you can use some Vaseline on the sealing groove to make the mounting easier. For the mounting process, first align the center markings on the sensor head and seal. Place the seal lightly in the rounded sections of the seal groove. This will avoid stretching the seal. Only then press the seal all the way in so that the seal edge is flush with the housing. It's very important that the seal is positioned evenly all the way around the groove. Take the new optics cover out of the packaging and remove the seal's protective cap. Remove any packaging residue if necessary. Carefully place the optics cover on the seal and insert the 4 front screws with the washers. Press the front screen onto the scanner and tighten the screws. When this is done, insert and tighten the remaining screws. Make sure that the optics cover is clear of dirt and damage. To calibrate the optics cover, connect the scanner to a power supply and then the CDS. Identify the project and double-click on the device you want to calibrate. Navigate to the tab Service and then Front Screen Calibration. Follow the steps shown in the software. Afterwards, start the safety function using CDS. Before restarting the application, please check the alignment and effectiveness of the protective device in the application exactly as during commissioning. For more details, please see the user manual.